Hey everyone, this is Shruti Oja, and today the video is going to be a review about all the hair products from Mamaearth. I have been using this product from quite since long. Time for me to review this, and this is completely a genuine review. So let me show you the products and then I'll explain a bit of it. And for your knowledge, this video is not in paid partnership with the brand. It's all my honest reviews, so you can trust me. Right guys, so you see all the products over here. And one product is very new. I mean, this product, I'll tell you what it is later. So you see here the hair fall shampoo, onion shampoo, and then the conditioner. This is onion hair oil, and this one is a scalp serum from the same brand. Every packaging was good enough. I didn't like the packaging of this because taking this out was a big pain. You can see I had to tear the packaging completely because it was not coming out. By the way, that doesn't matter. If the product is good, that's what we expect. So I also had lots of hair fall. I don't know, due to COVID or what was the reason, or maybe the hard water, because I live in Bangalore and I feel the water is not that good for hair, and probably that would be the reason. Alright guys, so I'll show you the volume of my hair. I have enough volume, but the only thing I felt was hair fall was happening a lot. So I switched to Mamaearth because I thought, if you see the DIY videos, everybody says that onion is very good for your hair. So I started doing that first. I was if I'm doing a shampoo twice, so once I used to apply hair oil and then wash my head, and every alternate I was using onion juice. So yeah, one tip that who is having less eyebrow hair, apply the same onion juice on their eyebrows as well. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and then I came across this product which completely says that it is from the onion extract. So I thought, why not to switch to a shampoo which has onion extract, because I was already using onion juice on my hair. So, and every time if I shampoo with such product, probably I would see a better results. So yeah, I decided to switch to Mamaearth, and I feel it is it's better than other product. Obviously I will not say that it makes your hair very smooth and silky and all those stuff. I will not say that. Yeah, it doesn't make much of leather, but the product is decent because it stopped my hair fall. I can very much agree to that. That is very honest opinion from me. And yeah, okay, so I'll do all the products one by one. Alright, so the first thing you're supposed to do, that if you're planning to shampoo tomorrow, apply this onion scalp serum only to your scalp, not to your hair, and sleep off. Leave the serum, sleep off. Next day you can wash your hair. So whatever you are hearing from me is what I do. It's completely up to you if you want to change the processes, but this is the ideal process you should follow. So after you wake up the next day, you can apply this hair oil. Keep it on your hair for minimum half an hour. You should leave. You can do nice oiling and head massage, and keep it for 45 to 1 hour. You can do the same, or half an hour be the ideal time to keep the hair oil. Then yeah, you can wash your hair with Mamaearth shampoo. So while shampooing your hair, this is a normal procedure what you always do with your hair, and then apply shampoo, mix it well. It doesn't form much of the leather like other shampoos, but yeah, good enough leather it makes. And you can just rinse your hair, wash it off, wash all the shampoos away. Then you should apply this onion conditioner. Apply, just take this much hair strand and then apply, leave it for 10 minutes, and then you can just wash it off again, and then dry your hair. And yeah, that's all. So these products have a decent smell, not bad, not very good, it has a decent smell. So you can pick a serum of your choice of a nice smell, so that some nice smell should come from it. And yeah, I think you can give it a shot for this product. Use it at least for 2-3 months, then probably you'll notice the changes. And yes, if you faith and trust on me, please put your comments down, and you can like my channel, subscribe, and share it to more of your friends so that they should also get a genuine and honest review about it. That's all, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching.